Hi everyone, so today we're going to be trying out solving algebraic expressions that involves the addition and subtraction operation. So here we have the expression 9m minus in brackets 3n plus in brackets 4m minus in brackets n minus 6m close minus in brackets n plus 7n close. So the technique that we have to take note of when doing this kind of problem is to always start from the innermost part. So here we can see that n minus 6m is the innermost part of our expression. So we have to work on that first and then remove the brackets and then try to go out of that and simplify the expression from in, going out until everything has been taken into consideration. All right, so let's start. So the negative here, this part, should be distributed inside the bracket. So negative and negative to 6m as well. So another thing that you have to remember is to always bring everything down if you're not doing anything to those terms yet, okay? Because we have to remember that no matter how perfect you do everything in the innermost part, if you don't simplify the others as well, like this part, your answer is still going to be wrong. That's how exact and accurate math is. So 4m, and then once we distributed that, let's put that in red. It's going to be, red. It's going to be negative n, and for the second term, it's going to be positive 6m, and that is because negative times negative is positive, and then we copy the term that is right beside it. So once we've taken care of that, the brackets are gone, right? So we have to close that up. Once it's out, we have to close it up again and take care of the second innermost, all right? So this is one way of solving, and obviously there's so many ways on how to delve on the problem, but for me, I always do it this way, and it always works every time. I always have the right answer because I just follow, I just do the solution, like the process step by step, and not rush into it. It is still quick and fast, but I'm making sure that every term is taken care of. Okay, so in orange, that would be minus m minus 7n, and then we close the last bracket, all right? So from there, always remember to write the others down or to bring them down and copy them, and then we have to take care of this bracket now, this part, all right? So the like terms, that's the only way we can add the terms, right? If they have like variables. So 4m and 6m, and that gives us 10m. Okay, so we're going to put that in pink as we highlighted both terms as pink. So 10m minus n, and then close that bracket, or we can just, since we've taken care of that already, we can remove that one and copy the others that belongs to the second bracket. Okay, so minus m, let's put that in orange just to denote that we are copying it down, or yellow in this case. So minus 7n, close bracket. From here, we're going to copy down 9m minus, and we have to take care of this part now. So combine like terms. In this case, 3n and 7n. And always remember what I mean is, like always, don't forget to observe the signs of the terms right beside it, because it makes a very big difference. So 3n minus n, that gives us 2n. And 2n minus 7n, right? So let's write that down. 2n minus 7n gives us, what's the answer? That gives us negative 5n, right? So change it to plus, negative, and then negative and positive, we subtract it, and then copy the sign of the bigger number, which is 7n, right? So we have shown that part, so let's just write that down, negative 5n. So after that part, we take care of the other like terms, which is 10m and m, right? So 10m minus m is basically 10 minus 1, and that gives us 9. So plus 9m and brackets, right? So in this part now, the negative is beside the brackets, and that's basically telling us that negative affects everything that's inside the bracket. So we have to distribute that. So 9m plus 5n and negative, positive, so that gives us negative 9m. This part is very easy now. Let's just combine like terms, and that's 9m minus 9m. We have a 0, copy the other term. And 0 plus 5n, 5n. So after simplifying everything from a long expression such as this one, once we simplify that algebra, sorry about that, let me just remove that anyway. So just like from a very long expression like this, once you simplify it, it's only a single term, 5n. So this is how we tackle this kind of math problems. And it takes a lot of practice, especially that we have to be very keen and aware of the signs. What we have to do once there are lots of brackets in the expression. So it takes a lot of practice, but once you have mastered the topic, it's very easy, and you can spot right away what you have to do first and the next step following that. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you next time.